Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly were pictured together in California. The couple reportedly split after a big fight over Super Bowl weekend. Fox and Kelly were snapped on Monday leaving an office building just outside of Los Angeles. The newspaper said the couple was in relationship counseling, but that's not immediately clear and reps aren't commenting. The actress doesn't appear to be wearing her giant engagement ring. Kelly and Fox reportedly talked to each other before leaving in separate cars. Breakup rumors swirled over the weekend after Fox wiped all traces of her fiancé from Instagram.